gonna be hilarious when I hook a fish up here. Oh my, I knew I'd see one while I was up here. God bless, dude. Oh my god! Oh my god! Good morning, ladies and gents. It is a beautiful day for some steelhead fishing here in the gorgeous state of Oregon. We're fishing for coastal winter steelhead right now. This is going to be my first outing of 2024 for these native wild steelhead, and I still have not caught a West Coast steelhead, so stay tuned. Hopefully it's a fun episode, and I'll catch up with you guys once I get to the water. As I was saying, beautiful day out here in the PNW. Got a nice little stretch of water here to fish. It wasn't my first or second option, but it is my third option, so we're gonna give it a shot and see if we can't hook up with our first steelhead. It's gonna be hilarious when I hook a fish up here. Because surely there's no way that I will, but my god, imagine. I really just want to be able to fish that outside line. Seems pretty shallow though. Yeah, dragging bottom pretty heavy. Oh my god, I see a steelhead. Huge steelhead. Holy dude. Are you kidding me? Oh my, I knew I'd see one while I was up here. God bless, dude. That just hurts my heart. Hurts my freaking soul. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! No way! What am I gonna do? Holy, am I going swimming? Am I going swimming? He came out for the, I'm going swimming, guys. Holy oh my god. What am I doing? What am I gonna do? Where is he? That's a steelhead. How deep is this? I might go under. Oh, this is so crazy. Oh god, it's deeper. This is the worst thing that could have happened, but also the best thing. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We go up and over and up and over again. So close. This bank is not in good shape. I don't know how. Oh, come on. Oh, hold me, bank. Hold me, please. Oh, going in. I'm going in. This is so stupid. Right into this slow. Oh my god. Holy cow. I saw this fish from above. I dropped in a bead behind it and it turned around and just chomped it. All right. We're gonna get this fish unhooked. I could totally keep it. We're gonna let this first one go. A true steelhead. Hatchery, fins clipped here. It's pretty beat up. And off it goes back into the depth. I can truly say that is the most insane fish catch of my entire life. I'm still kind of in shock a little bit. The adrenaline's coming down, but I've got like the iron pumping in my chest. I'm tasting blood. Like, oh my God, just never had an adrenaline rush like that while fishing. The closest was in Yellowstone. Same deal, I was fishing from a dumb cliff and I had to slide down it to get a big fish. I started there and I see a fish right below me and it swims upstream a little bit, but I drop my 2 eggs in right below it and it turns, does a circle back around and chomps the bigger of the 2 eggs and just takes off downstream. And so I did a whole, as you saw, slip and slide down that. The water was too deep, so I had to like cling to the bank and slide my way down. Got up to here, I fell back in right there. Had to almost swim my way out. It was deeper than I expected. I couldn't touch bottom. And then finally was able to get the fish in the soft water back there after running it through these rapids. Honestly guys, I can't even focus on fishing anymore. I am just so happy and content with this day. I'm calling it. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. This has been 2.5 years, nearly 3 years now in the making to catch my first true West Coast steelhead. And just like, what a way to do it. I just feel very lucky and thankful for that fish and for getting up today and for you guys all watching. So thank you guys for sticking around. Hopefully I can get these steelhead here in my new hometown dialed in and bring you guys some consistent West Coast winter steelhead fishing action. Till then, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.